Let's take our fried fish dishes to the next level with this delicious, fast, easy, saucy, and easy to make fish tofu in fermented black beans. We call it tofu locally. This is very easy, ready in just few steps. Let's start cooking. Welcome back to my kitchen. This is your dad at home and ready to prepare your dinner. First thing first, we need a white fish with a white flesh, and that is already clean fish. Our fish is sea bass and already clean. Kids will love the fish fillet, so debone the fish as much as possible. And don't sweat it out if you don't know how to debone, because fish fillets are available at any supermarket and ready to be fried. Skinning the fish is completely optional, but of course I choose to remove the skin for presentation purposes. Don't worry that much if you don't know how to remove the skin. As long as you can remove the skin and the flesh are intact, it's totally fine. Now we just chop the fish and marinate it with just salt and pepper. And after that, we just you don't need to set aside the fish, because fish meat are thin and easily marinate. We just add a tablespoon of flour or cornstarch and then massage it again gently. Next step will be frying the fish, and this fish will be fried very easily. It will be fried, let's say 2 to 3 minutes per side. Watch very carefully, because we don't want to over-fry our fish. Over-fried fish, it tends to be dried and tough. So when you see a little bit of browning, it means it is ready. Okay, the next step will be the tofu or tokwa. We just slice the tofu in about half an inch thick before frying it. This goes the same with the fish. We don't want to over-fry our tofu, because over-fried tofu are tough and dry. Fry the tofu at medium heat to avoid burning, like these 2 pieces of tofu. Okay, and now we seems to be done frying the tofu. Now I changed the pan to a bigger one using the same cooking oil that we fried our fish and tofu. First we fry the ginger, followed by onions, including the spring onion, the white parts, and then followed by black beans, fermented black beans, about 2 teaspoons, excluding the liquid because these are black beans are salty. Let's mash the black bean into paste. And then here we add 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and this is cooking wine, followed by a sesame oil and oyster sauce, and mix everything. We need probably about a glass of water. And now we put our fish, and then we add our fried tofu. As you can see, our tofu is a little bit softer. Boil a little bit to incorporate all the spices, and then after that we're going to add our slurry or cornstarch with a little bit of water to thicken our sauce. And this is our fish tofu in tofu or fermented black bean. Now our dinner is ready. Top it up with the green part of the spring onion, and it's time to taste our ulam. Our dinner is ready from Dad at Home. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, please thumbs up and like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. for another tasty dinner from Dad at Home.